G'day guys, hope everyone's doing well. It's been a while since we've, well, I have anyway, we've been in lockdown in Victoria for a bit and we've been stuck to a 5k radius, so I haven't really been able to go camping too much. I went a couple of weeks ago with my dog, but that had to take the car because unfortunately I can't fit him on the DR650. I've had a bit of time to look around. I've been looking at sort of trying to get some new, like a cooking kit. I mean, just trying to think about just something for like an overnighter, short trips, something that wasn't too expensive. Because what I usually take is the Cedar Summit stuff. So this stuff is actually quite expensive. I think it cost me like 62 bucks just for this thing alone, and it contains a cup, a bowl, a plate, and just for those 3 items, yeah, I think it was around $60. I think from my food. Don't take my word for that. It was $50 to $60. I remember going, damn, that's expensive. So then I was kind of like, well, what if you're not sure about camping? What if it's not your thing? Or what if you're after something a bit cheaper and you don't need something that's this small or this compact and lightweight? Because the reality is, when you're on a motorbike, weight, it doesn't matter that much. You know, if this weighs, I don't know, a kilo, so what? If it weighed 5 kilos, so what? You're on a bike. The bike's doing all the hard work. You're not like you're hiking to, I don't know, some mountain and you have to carry it all on your back. So generally what I'd carry is I'd carry a big bottle of water. I'd carry my pot, which I'd use to boil my water or cook whatever food in there. And then I'd use these obviously to drink and eat out of. So, but as you can see, they're all oddly shaped. When I'm packing it, you know, bottle goes in one thing, this gets stuck in another thing, this gets stuck in another thing, and then it's just painful. Like, not painful, it's just, I just don't like having all these separate pieces. So I was looking around and then come across this store, armyoutdoors.com.au, and they sell just army surplus gear from different countries and whatever else. And I found this, and it's a Serbian Mess kit, original army surplus. So it's got a few little marks in that, but basically this one little box, which is about 19 centimeters by 12 by 8, this one whole kit does everything that all of this does, and for a fraction of the price. So all this would have cost me about 70 bucks, because I didn't include this in the price. I think these are, I don't know, 10 bucks, 15 bucks, I'm not sure. They're titanium ones. So let's be conservative. All of this cost me, it's not that, about 60 bucks. So, and takes up quite a bit of room. This, $14.50. And it's nice and compact, it's an easy shape, it fits in your bag quite easily, and it would weigh, once it's filled with water, it will weigh about 1.7 kilos, which like I was saying about weight before, is nothing. This bottle alone weighs 1.2 because it's 1.2 litres of water, so it probably weighs roughly the same. I'll show you the cool thing about this. So it's a nesting kit. So this is your handle. So what you get, this would be your bowl. So it holds, I think, 800 mils roughly, I think, or a litre. I haven't quite measured it, but I know it was around 800 mils to a litre. So that's your bowl. Then you've got this lid, which you can use to either measure. It holds 200 mils, so you can use that to measure your water. So let's say if you take these like backcountry cuisines, this is the like spaghetti bowl. It needs 250 mils of water. So you basically fill this up, pour it in, fill it up another quarter, and that's your 250 mils of water, which is pretty cool. Next cool part about the kit is it's got a canteen in it, and this holds 1 litre. So look at the size of this 1 litre versus that. Like, this has, sure, this got a little bit more water in it, but look at the size difference. It's crazy. And then the best part that I like is this is your pot you cook in. Look, it's much bigger. This holds a litre. This holds, I think this one's 8, what is this one? What is it, in ounces or something? This is half a litre, right? This holds about a litre. and it weighs a little bit more, but who cares? You're on a motorbike. So this is what you would then cook in. Now, wherever you are, if you take your MRI pack, so you're an army lad, pop it in with your water, which you've got in here, boil it up. You've got this cooked. Then with your water, you can then use that to make, well, if you want to use it as a cup, there's your cup of coffee, or maybe you add it into that. I don't know, whatever floats your boat. I'm not sure how this would go drinking out of. I guess you just got to drink it out of the corner, but hey, it'd work as a cup. So yeah, the way it all just sits together and Mess is really, really cool compared to all that other stuff, which is oddly shaped and pisses me off. I think this is probably going to be my little go-to kit for a while now. I haven't tried it in the real world just yet, just because I mean I go camping. But definitely, I'll do a proper review because just to see how this turns up under the fire. I know it's going to work. Obviously, being ex-army, it would have to work. It'd have to work on a normal fire, on a normal gas stove that you'd use. So it goes together pretty much. Yeah, simple really. Water goes into the canteen. Your little cup goes onto the roof. Then your bowl goes onto top. And your handle just locks it all into one little spot. And again, all of this for $14.50 versus 60 or 70 bucks for all of that. Yeah, if you're new to motorcycle camping, or you're new to camping in general, and you don't want to spend a shitload of money, give this a crack. I reckon it's going to turn out to be really good. I really do. I think it's going to be one of the best things I've bought in a while. Just because, like I said before, the shape, the size, it's easy to pack, it's all in one and it's ready to go. I can literally just, if I want to go for an afternoon ride or a day ride, stop out somewhere, have a bit of lunch or a coffee, I'm ready to go. This just pops in my backpack or in your tank bag, whatever, and you just zoom off, have a good day camping or good day's ride, get a feed in you and away, and yeah, happy as Larry. So if you are looking to buy one, and I'm not affiliated with this company, I just happened to find it on Google, so I don't know anything about it. I'm not getting paid for this to say good things or bad things about it, but it's armyandoutdoors.com.au. They're the ones that sell it, and I think it costs maybe $10 for delivery from memory, but it got here pretty quick. I think it arrived in about 3 days, and I think they're in New Zealand, so the service is pretty good. So yeah, Serbian Mess kit. It does come up sometimes as a Yugoslavian mess kit, depending on how they've labelled it. And there are some kits that come with a packet, like not a pack, like a pouch that it goes into. And also the pouch has a knife, a fork, and a spoon. But when I looked at that, they were like 40 pounds or something, which if you're in Australia is probably like $80, which is, I don't know, I'm not paying that much. $14.50, and I've already got a knife and fork, so. And you don't need a pouch because it holds together, not going anywhere. So yeah, just spend the $14.50, chuck it in your back of your motorbike and go off, have fun, camp, cook with it, eat out of it, drink with it. Yeah, it's brilliant. So yeah, so that's my sort of quasi review on this. Once I get out there again, get camping, I'll do a proper one, show you that it really works, and I'll cook up a couple of meals and yeah, show you all how it goes, which I think it's, yeah, like I said, I think it's going to be pretty damn cool. If you like it, please hit the like and subscribe as well. I guess it just helps the channel, and then it probably motivate me to do actual better reviews, you know, spend a bit more time doing it, and yeah, I don't know, just why not, cost you nothing, bit of time. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you all later. Alright, thanks guys.